Okay, so step one is to turn off the gas, which is this one. I already turned it off. And I opened the bucket. There are two hoses in there, and they attach onto these two caps under there.
There's two valves. All right, there's a video on this, so you don't have the video.
I see like an upper valve and a lower valve.
We do the upper valves first.
Turn them off?
Yeah. Well, no, they're off already. They got two caps that come out of it. You see them? Yeah, you can push that down. You can put, yeah. See the cap?
That.
Yeah. Unscrew it. All right, let it hang after you do. Do the left one too.
Okay.
All right. As you can see, right behind those, there's other valves, right?
Right.
You see them? Those are the outlets to those two ports. Okay? Make sure when you do this that those two are off before you even take them off, because if they're on, water's going to squirt out and then it's going to flood. Got it?
So the ones on the top should be off and the ones on the bottom should be on, right?
They're on for right now, yeah. The ones at the bottom are your water supplies from the house into the unit. All right?
Okay.
So now you're going to, once those off, now you're going to grab this hose. You're going to hook it up to the right port. And screw it on there.
It's hard to get lined up. Okay, there it goes.
See, if I do it, you won't know. So I have to, the only way I teach is for you to do it, because that way you'll remember. Got it?
Just hand tighten it?
Yep, just hand tight here. Here's the other one.
Okay.
Got it?
Yep.
That has a filter.
Getting a little water.
Submersible pump.
What's that?
There's a submersible pump there. If you see it, so we'll put that down. Then you gotta hook the one side into it, and then the other side is gonna filter around. Right now it's not reading any gas, well, it's not reading anything, it's not going through it. It's cold water going through it. There's a video on it, so you don't have to record that. Here it is right here.
I want to make my own anyway. It's going to help me remember it.
Oh, it's going to be long though.
How
So
long?
If you stop it.
It's
The hot you can pour in there. Just the hose. Yep.
just like
Alright.
that.
Here's your pump. Grab it. Go ahead and grab your pump.
Okay.
This is pretty straightforward. Alright. So now that's your pump, and this is a filter that goes. There's a. Yeah, just put it up there. Slide that in there. Yeah, just slide it. All right, that goes hooked up to the other side. The hose. Right in there.
Let me just capture this. So the hot water goes into the bucket. The cold water goes onto the pump. Okay.
While the bucket has water in it.
Right.
At least half.
You
Right,
just
so
put
you
this in?
Yeah, you put it in there. It's got to be submerged under the water. There you go. Now, yeah, break those free, and then we'll find somewhere to plug it. But we have to shut